Hey there, this is Lisa Torres from LisaTorresSpeaks.com, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why you should be using Facebook groups to build your business. I'm talking about signing up new customers, new coaching clients, selling your courses or your programs, pretty much anything that you want to sell. You need to be using free Facebook challenge groups in order to be able to build fast. Now, before I share with you the 4 reasons why, I want to ask you to subscribe to this channel by clicking on that subscribe button right below this video and making sure that you click on the bell button, because when you click that bell button, YouTube is going to send you an email notification every single week when I upload a brand new episode here for the Profitable Marketer podcast. So definitely subscribe and click on that bell so you don't miss a beat. All right, so if you want to get access to the 4 reasons why you should start a Facebook group to build your business, I'm talking about enrolling groups of people in a very short period of time, like a single day short period of time. So if you want to learn how to do that, go ahead and go to this link or click the link right below this video if you're watching on YouTube. Or if you're already here on my blog here at LisaTorresSpeaks.com, go ahead and click that play button right below this video to listen to the podcast now. I'll see you over there.